Here are the installation steps for the 7-shaped wash basin, which are very simple and easy to follow. First, open the installation accessory package. Inside, there is a hose, 8 screws and bolts, 2 of which are spares, as well as 2 hanging pieces. Check these parts to ensure they are all present. Step 1. Install the basin's drain hose first. Open the accessory package, take out the black rubber gasket, and place it inside the rotating cap. Then, following the operation method shown in the video demonstration, attach the rotating cap to the drain pipe. You can demonstrate the actual operation here. Look, everyone, this is the drain pipe. First, we put the splash-proof device over it. Then, place the telescopic hose into the rotating cap and gently pull the hose to adjust it to a suitable length. That's it, installation is complete. Step 2. Determine the basin height. Measure the installation height of the basin, which is 31.5 inches. This is the installation position for the first hanging piece. Mark it clearly. From the position of the first hanging piece, move horizontally 16.5 inches and mark the installation position for the second hanging piece. After that, use an 8 drill bit to drill holes at these 6 marked positions respectively. Once the holes are drilled, insert the bolts into each hole, and then use the bolts to fix the 2 hanging pieces at the marked positions on the wall. The last step. Align the 7-shaped basin with the hanging pieces and place it properly, then the basin is installed. As a final step, evenly apply glass glue along the edges of the basin, carefully sealing every gap to build a solid waterproof barrier and eliminate the risk of water leakage.